Good morning, students! Welcome to Music for Grade 4. We will start our lessons for the first unit of it, which is the rhythm. Unit 1. R-H-Y-T-H-M. It is called rhythm, or it is read as rhythm. What do you do when you hear music? Do you clap your hands? Do you tap the table with your fingers? Or do you stamp your feet? What else do you do when you hear music? You respond in these ways because music has rhythm. And rhythm in music is the regular movement and flow of sound through time. It is characterized by regular harmonious beats and tones. Rhythm is usually called pulse of music. Notes. Every day you hear different kinds of sounds. Some of these are the sounds of vehicles speeding on the street, raindrops falling on the roof, and footsteps hurrying up on the stairs. Some sounds are long, while others are short. You hear a long sound when a cow is mooing or lowing. When a clock ticks, you hear a short sound. Can you name other long and short sounds? Pag long, moo, just like the cow, right? Kapag ano pa yung mga short sound? Mga ticks. Mga ganon. Ano pa? So, yun. Naintindihan ba? Pag, may mga ganong klase tayo ng sounds na narinig, di ba? May mahaba, may maigsi. There are different combination of long and short sounds. These are represented by notes. Meron daw iba't ibang kombinasyon ng mahaba at maigsing tunog, at ito ay nire-representa ng isang notes. Okay?
Rhythm makes a musical composition distinct because it forms a pattern of long and short beats. These beats are represented by notes that have different tones. These tones enhance the musical piece and make it unique. A note is a symbol used to represent a musical sound. Each note in a musical piece shows the number of beats or the time value or duration that it must be played or sung.
The table shows the time value and the symbol for each note. For example, the whole note. Symbol, ang kanyang head note is circle lang, and then wala siyang shade sa loob. So kapag dinrawing mo siya, o ginawa mo, ganun lang, circle, no? It's easy. And may time value siya na 4 beats. Okay? The next is the half note with the symbol. Ang kanyang head note ay ganun din, circle, kagaya ng sa whole note. Pero, meron siyang kadugtong na stem. So, easy. Time value is 2 beats. Quarter note, symbol. Dito naman sa quarter note, meron siyang head note, meron siyang stem, and meron siyang shade sa loob. Yung kanyang symbol. Okay, ang kanyang beat ay 1 beat. The eighth note naman, meron siyang ganitong symbol, which is yung kanyang head note ay circle, and then may shades din sa loob, meron siyang stem, and meron siyang flag. Okay? And then, ang kanyang time value is 1.5 beat. Ayan. So, I'm gonna show you a picture over here. Notice that the child claps a whole note once but counts 4 times. This means that there are 4 beats, and that the first beat is indicated by a single clap that must be sustained in 4 counts. So, ganito yung ginawa niya. Nag-clap siya. Tingnan nyo yung picture. Ito, ilalagay ko dito. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tsaka pa lang niya tinanggal yung kamay niya. Ibig sabihin, nakasustain siya in 4 beat. Ibig sabihin, ang ginamit niyang note is a whole note dahil meron siyang 4 beats. Okay? Naintindihan? So, kapag whole note ang nakita mong note, it is 4 beats. Ibig sabihin, pagka sa kamay, ganito rin ginagawa yun. 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole note yan. Then half note, pag half note, 1, 2. Quarter note, 1. Kapag ka 8 note, half lang siya. Hindi naman siya ganun mabilis, pero basta ganun siya. Half lang siya. Half beat. So how would you know yung bilang mo kung tama? Remember, kung alam mo yung galaw ng kamay dun sa orasan, diba? Kumaga siya, tok, tok, tok. Yun yung count niya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganun siya mag-count. So, it is easier kung hirap mo bilangin yung count, kung paano kinakount yung 4 beats ng isang whole note. Di naman siya ganun kabilis, diba, sa orasan yung seconds niya. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yun yun. Actually, meron dito. So, pakikita ko sa isang book. O, ito na. Gamitin ko na yung mismong book na ginagamit ko. Ayan, so makikita nyo yan. Pag nag-count siya, ito yung una, 1. Nag-clap siya. 1. Doon lang siya nag-clap sa 1. Pero hindi niya tinatanggal yung kamay niya dahil nakasustain. Dahil kailangan niya ng 4 beats. So, 1. Silently, nagbibilang ka. 2, 3, 4. Doon mo pala tatanggalin yung kamay mo. So, ganun siya. Hindi naman siya ganun katagal. Sakto lang kung kabisado mo yung count ng sa second nung orasan. O, yun. Madali lang, di ba? Mayroon ba yung hindi? So, yun. Very easy lang. So, kung gusto mo na assignment, ito. Ayan, assignment mo. Ayan, sige. Gusto mo na assignment, ito. Ayan, ipopost yan sa huling ng video natin. And screenshot mo na lang, subukan mo sagutan. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Kung may tanong ka, huwag kang mahiyang mag-comment below. Ayan, so, hindi naman ako ganun magaling, pero I'm trying. This is the basic ng music. Ito yung basic class para sa mga bata na gustong matuto ng music. So, yun. Maraming salamat. God bless. God bless. Special thanks nga po pala sa Gocy Grace Christian Academy for letting me borrow the room. Ayan, and sa grade 6, kanila to, kwarto na to. Ayan. Don't forget to subscribe po. Yun lang po. Ang susunod na itatopic natin ay yung rest. Yan. Lesson 2, rest. Ayan. So, God bless. See you next vlog. Don't forget to subscribe.